Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
We'll know about some of the algorithms, SMM algorithms. What is SMM algorithms? For Facebook algorithm, you need to create an account. You need to customize your account. What does mean by customize your account? Facebook page, we need to select category. We will select category related our business or product. We will put some bio with two hashtags. I will keep some description about our business or product. If we are selling a product, then we will definitely put a description there on our Facebook page. So we know that keywords term with keywords. What is keywords? We will select a keywords. If it is with handwords, if it is with event code, then we will put those keywords on our description with hashtag. We will add our details. We'll update our contact every time. Also, we'll create post on Facebook, content based post we will do, and definitely whatever we will post in our page or in our profile, then we need to do off page SEO. Must we will do off page SEO, because off page SEO will be related with that on page SEO and hashtags and those uploading things. Okay, so for targeting, if you are creating a page on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever, where you are creating your pages, you need to customize your profile, your channel, your page with good profile picture, with good logo. If you have website, you can put it. You good description. With related category, and of course the cover photo. Then you need to create a post, content based post, and we can make some captions. Minimum that should be 50 words, within 50 words. Okay, for image and video. Then we will do on page SEO. What is on page SEO? After creating the pages practically, we will move to our on page SEO. So we will see practically that what is on page SEO. For now, you just keep in your mind that after posting, for posting, we need to give a caption. We need to do off page SEO, and then we need to do on page SEO, and we need to post them time to time post, and we can do backlink. What is backlink? I will show everything. We need to do backlink, and we can share our content to those various platforms, various groups, various pages by tagging. Also, we can run ads for Facebook business. We can do Google marketing as well. So these are the algorithms for Facebook.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification, click the bell icon.